In this video, we explain the basic layout of a breadcrumbs investigation graph and how to read the data it provides about crypto addresses. This includes how to navigate a breadcrumbs graph, read an address's outgoing and incoming transaction activity, and the address details that breadcrumbs provides. When you look up a crypto address, it will always be located in the middle of the page at hop 0, meaning it's located on the 0 position of the page. Everything to the right of the address are outgoing addresses. Everything to the left of the address are incoming addresses. These addresses are sorted from top to bottom, from where most of the funds came from on the left, to where most of the funds went to on the right. In this example, we look at the wallet address belonging to the Lazarus Group, the organization that hacked the Ronin Bridge platform for $500 million. Most of the funds in the Lazarus Group's wallet address came from this top address on the left, Axie Infinity. If we click on the path between the two addresses, this is the blue line connecting them. We can see the transaction history between the two addresses. This is called the transaction slider. In the transaction slider, an investigator can see the specific amount of funds sent between the two addresses. In this example, we see that $500 million in Ether was stolen, and that $25 million in USDC was also stolen. You can also click on any of the addresses, and you'll see what's called the address slider. This will show you more details about the address. These details include how risky an address is for illicit activity. In the case of the Ronin Bridge address, it is rated as high risk on its risk score because it is listed on the OFAC list. Also included in the address slider is who the address has received funds from. This is called incoming exposure, and where the address has sent the funds to. This is known as outgoing exposure. As you can see with this address, most of the funds came mostly from just one address, but went to many different addresses. This is a typical technique of money laundering. The address slider also lists any NFTs that an address holds.